What's happening, everybody? So I got my first box from Alibaba Express to address to me, apparently my name in Chinese. So that's something exciting to look forward to. I've made a purchase about 3 weeks ago. Remember, safety first. Stuff happens. Let's see what we get. I did this so that I can test out the quality as well as shipping time from China to South Africa. So this will be the first item or items that I've bought, and this is my revealing video of them. Okay, so I bought, as you can see, a bunch of things, which are cell phone cable protective ends. It's just annoying when you have a cable that's got a funky end. So no matter what you do, try and move it from side to side. One of these side to side, and it's broken off right at the end. It's always been an issue for me, so I bought a couple of them. So let's look at them. I've got an owl. Don't know what that is. It looks like a pirate. Then over here, got One Piece. I've got Stitch. I can't get to find him. See over there. There's a Stitch. Sorry about the lighting. Try and find something else. As you can see, there's a One Piece. Got little minions in there. Spider-Mans. Like Hello Kitties. SpongeBob. Everyone loves SpongeBob. I'm not going to reveal my age just yet, but I still love SpongeBob. I don't know what that is. A cat. A white stomach. Oh, look, there's Iron Man. You see? Oh, no. Anyway, we're going to move on. Got another cat. Superman logo over there. There's a lot. Winnie the Pooh. I have no idea what that is. Looks like an elephant thingy. Hey, well, it's something. Okay. What is this? I just like that. Look at that. Don't know what it is, but I like it. I've got a Solly from Monsters Inc. And then I've got a mixed one over here. Oh, it looks mixed. Got the cat again. With some minions. I want to say Mickey Mouse, but it's got a different nose. So I'm not 100% sure if it's a Mickey or a Minnie. And then some shields. Always need one of those, as get it, the irony, shield, cable protector. Anyway, got another cat. So, I have to say, let me just get all of this back. for that, I think for my first shipment from China, it looks real nice. Oh, did I even miss this? Oh, I see. Guys, I see this one is mixed with greens. Aliens from Toy Story. Another guy from Monsters Inc. Oh, nice. This is so awesome. Anyway, so the thing is with this is my first shipment from China to South Africa. And it's been 14 days since I bought it. 15 days, sorry. So it's been 15 days since we actually paid for everything, and it's arrived today. So just there was a couple of hiccups with this, as you can see, made in China. One of the hiccups was customs. So I don't know if you all know or are familiar with customs, but in South Africa it's a little bit different. What we actually have is tax on everything. So when I imported this, I had to pay $70 for shipment. So I got $70 for shipping this via, I think it was DHL. And when it landed, I had an additional payment of about 400 Rand, which doesn't seem like that much, but they will not let this go through customs if it hasn't been paid. And they want proof of payment. It was a hassle sorting that out. So I spoke to a nice lady who eventually helped me out. I unfortunately do not remember her name, but she helped me out with this and got me through the steps of where I should go, what I should do with everything. So I just wanted to share a bit on my first unboxing from Alibaba, shipping to South Africa and the hassles of it. There wasn't that much, it's just the payment, because they want everything that comes into South Africa needs to be taxed. Now for what reason I do not know, but if you don't pay the tax, it will not go through customs. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I can help. Please like, comment and subscribe.